Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever this may find you. Hope it finds you well. This week's meditation, this week's mindfulness practice is a very simple one. So just a short little message for you today. Here as I sit, taking a moment to practice mindfulness, I think about the opportunities we have every single day to ground down into the moment, to find the present in the presence, and to allow our hearts to be filled with a sense of unity, connectedness to the world, whenever we allow ourselves to open up to the presence. When we step outside the problem and we step inside the moment, we see perhaps that the problem wasn't so big to begin with. Perhaps that the solution isn't so complicated. Perhaps a change in perception, just changing the way we look at things is all we need to do for now. And finding gratitude for that. Finding gratitude for that peace in that moment, just then. So this week's exercise is simply just to practice mindfulness throughout the day. This can be as simple as taking a minute to really look at something, to notice something with all your intention, with all your presence of mind. I'll share with you in a moment an example of when I was on my walk earlier, and as I was walking, this beautiful tree captured my attention. So I decided just to take a moment to really appreciate the tree, to really appreciate that moment. So it can be simple, it can be in your everyday life that a bird catches your eye, or a simple moment where you take your shoes off and allow your feet to connect with the earth, where you touch a tree, appreciate a flower, or just observe as your children are playing, just observing the moment in and out of time, just being present with the now. And how that subtle change of perception can bring about a great sense of peace. And that little change in your energy can simply redirect the momentum of your entire day. Can bring you back into alignment with your highest intentions, with the greater good of all. Bring you back into a place where you can be of service to yourself and others. So go ahead this week and find those small moments in every day where you just take it in. Allow yourself to really see life before you, to appreciate the simple things. Enjoy. Simply allowing our observation of nature to act like a portal which transmutes us into the moment, and there, from that present moment awareness, we have the opportunity to change our perception, to change our entire outlook.